everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Diane and today I have another subscription box. And yes, it's February, but this is January's Joah Box. It's a Korean monthly subscription, so why don't we get right to the video. Okay, so like I said, Joah Box, which is $33 including delivery. So this is a little bit more pricey, but if it's good, we'll see. You never know. I mean, it's Korean beauty completely. So this is, like I said, a Korean beauty box. I have a link down below that if you want to use that, you can. And I believe that might be an affiliate link. So there may be a few dollars or whatever that I'll receive if you subscribe. So I just want to make sure that you know that, being all transparent and all that good stuff. So as I open the box, this is what it looks like. Oh, and this too, this sort of fell out. This card kind of creeps me out. I'm gonna be honest, and it kind of does, because the last time I seen somebody get a card, it was in a movie where it was found on dead bodies, and some dude was putting cards on people's bodies. And did they give me this card for a reason? I do not know. It's like, it's creepy a little bit to me, but only to me because, that's how my mind works. It's a little, Okay. So Joah Box, Happy New Year. It is quite cute. I'm not, I'm just being silly. But, it's not a tarot card. It's not, well, it is kind of a card, like a decky kind of card. Wasn't there like a real life serial killer that gave cards? Okay, I'm just being freaked out a little bit. Anyway, so we got a card. Oh, okay. Then you get a little booklet, and it's also got the same picture as the card. Less creepy, more cute. Oh, and then it's got all the products on the inside. So why don't we get right to it? The first thing that I'm seeing is this. And I don't even have a clue. Hydrate hair butter. Oh, there it is. Nice. So this is $9. And it is Organics Hydrate Hair Butter by British M. British M is a brand created by the top hairstylists in Seoul and used by them in over 100 high-end salons here. The Organic Hydrate Hair Butter is formulated with shea butter and argan oil to soften and moisturize your damaged hair. And then it gives you instructions on how to use it. Isn't that kind of cool though? Because I really need that, and they're definitely so far following what I said in my little description thing. That looks kind of cool. So let's put that aside and go on to the next thing. Okay. This is AG Clear Magic Gel. So why don't we open this up? Okay, it's safety sealed, which is kind of cool, but not great when you don't have anything. Hair tweezers. Or eyebrow tweezers, sorry. Ooh, this is like tough. It's tough. It's tough. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, there we go. It's actually quite pretty packaging. I like the color. It's quite nice. So, this is the second variation of this month. Oh, so I guess you could get something different. I'm not sure. As indicated by its name, this gel is magic. Magic. It works on troubled skin to give intensive care and prevent skin troubles and irritation. The AHA comes to control excessive sebum and dead skin cells to manage the main cause of all skin problems. Wow. My son has eczema, and it's pretty bad, especially on his face and stuff. So I'm going to tell the truth and say that I don't actually have problem skin. I have a little sensitivity to certain things, so I'll get a little irritated, but generally my skin never had an acne problem. I get a little dry here and there, but it's not too bad. So I did tell them that I had problem skin, dry problem skin, like whatever, so that I could get things like this to give to my son. So this is wonderful, and I'm so happy I got it to give to Boo Boo. Oh, he's gonna kill me Quentin, to give to Quentin. Not Boo Boo. We never call him that. Never. Okay, so here's this one. This, maybe it's on the back. Let's look. No. I do not know why I'm having a hard time finding it. What the heck is it? I don't know. I'm having a hard time. Oh, there it is. This is $9. This is Hand and Nail Cream by Botanicine. This cream is formulated with seeds and oils to deep moisturize your hands and nails. It comes in 3 variations: aromatic, floral, and classic shea butter. I got aromatic. So mine is jojoba seed oil. Very nice. Let's open this one too. I'll definitely use this as well. Yeah, I cannot find what I just had. That stupid tweezery thingy-majigger. Anyway, so this is $9. It's for your hands. Nice. This thing, which I totally forgot to tell you, this magic gel is $23. So that, in and of itself, is wonderfully awesome. Yeah, that is pretty freaking awesome. Totally true. What am I looking for? I'm missing something. Did I like lose something out of my box? Because it looks like there's less stuff in here than I should have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It says 6. How many did I do, guys? 1, 2, 3. I only have 5. Dead serious. I'm missing something. Am I, or am I having a moment? There's this one. Let me look. Okay. Deep Cleansing Bubble Mask by Nohuj. This is $3.50. This is not a standard sheet mask. Once on your skin, it makes bubbles to deep cleanse and removes impurities. Never have too many of these. That is the truth. And then there's the last thing. Now, I should say that Joah Box, it is $33, but you also get cosmetics. So you get beauty care, cosmetics, hair care. Like I said, I really emphasize the dry skin thing because I find Korean beauty really is very, very good. So the last thing I got is Glam Tint by McQueen, which is $14. I bought a whole bunch of that when I bought my Korean beauty. This is a long-lasting serum type of tint, which comes in 3 variations: number 1 red, number 4 coral, or number 5 rose. This lip tint can be applied for a full lip or a gradient Korean style. I do not know what a gradient Korean style is, but that is something that we should all try, right? Who knows? Could be really cool. Oh, look, I found my tweezers. Yay! Let's open this puppy up and see what we got. Ooh, ooh, dang. This is like, even with these tweezers I'm having, ow, ow, ooh, don't use tweezers. Dang, hi. I just pricked myself. Ooh, that didn't feel good. Nope. Oh, there we go. Gee whizzers. What the hell? Excuse my language. Doesn't that look like it's like a medicine or something? But this is a lip tint. And the color I got is magnifying glass time. Ooh, nope, cannot see that. So let's check the packaging. We got the number 1. We got the red. Weird, right? Considering I put that I don't really like red. But that's okay, because Madison does. So this will definitely... Woo! Look at that, boys and girls. Okay, that is massively nice stuff. Look at that. Do you see that? That is just a lip tint. It's definitely got a like a nice gloss to it. Wow. wow. I don't know if you can see that, but I just did a swipe and it went on nice. Felt nice. Let's blow a little bit. Stains nice. It's good. So I am really happy with what I got. I'm going to say that yes, this is more than worth $33 considering some of this stuff is really, really nice, but there is some seriousness. But look, I just took it off and it came off just fine. So it's staining, but with oil remover it works fine. So although it's in the strangest bottle I've ever seen, almost reminds me of like a vitamin E oil bottle or something, but that was a really pretty color. So Joah Box, thumbs up on that one. So I'll have to say goodbye for now. I hate doing this because I almost feel like, I don't know, I'm saying goodbye to my grandma or my grandpa or my kids. I really like making these videos. So I'll say goodbye for now, but only for now. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, all those good things. So you guys give me something to do when the kids are in school, because that's what I do. I read the comments and I answer every single one. At least I'm able to at this point. So just say hi even. That works for me. So until next time, bye.